read with Adit and Anya.
I can see one seagull. A Storytime Down Under reader with Adit and Anya. I can see one seagull. I can see two seagulls. I can see three seagulls. I can see four seagulls. I can see five seagulls. I can see six seagulls. I can see seven seagulls. I can see eight seagulls. I can see nine seagulls. I can see 10 seagulls. Anya thinks that seagulls sitting are much easier to count than seagulls flying. What do you think? The end.
Thanks for joining Adit and Anya.